Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about something that has been brewing between the JDF and JCF and also the police commissioner of Jamaica, and that's Anthony Anderson. That is our new police commissioner. And I want to read this article first before I get into my thoughts and opinions. Let's get straight into it. It says, up to late Monday, there was no official word coming from out of the Police Federation as to the outcome of the meeting between the police commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson, and members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force regarding the appointment of a former Jamaica Defense Force soldier to a senior rank in the constabulary. Reports are that at 1 p.m., members of the Federation and the top brass of the constabulary met to iron out the issue, which was said to be causing some level of dispute among some rank and file members of the force, who described the development as a slap in the face of the hard-working members of the JCF. A source close to the matter, who asked not to be named, noted the concern that the man who was appointed to the senior rank in the JCF was the personal driver of the police commissioner when they both was serving as members of the JDF. There was also no report coming out of the meeting about a voice note that was circulating on social media, reportedly from the officer, outlining details and relative to his appointment, while also berating members of the JCF, their training requirements, and even advising that we did not know say we know fi trust police long time. We did know say we know fi trust police long time. An investigation by the news revealed that the appointment of the former JCF member occurred in January of this year. Yesterday, reports coming from senior members of the Federation were that members of the JCF who attended the meeting accepted the explanation that was given by Commissioner about the development, but no details were given about what that explanation was. But based on some utterance from the Federation members after the meeting, it appears that the Commissioner spoke along the same line that Head of Police Corporate Communications Unit, Deputy Superintendent Delia Garrick, had taken earlier in the day in seeking to explain that the appointment of the former JDF member to the rank to assist superintendent was not unusual. That in fact, the former JDF member served as staff sergeant, which compared with the rank of inspector in the JCF. And that was the explanation that he gave why he appointed his former driver as a senior ranking member of the JCF. Honestly, I feel like this is a stronghold move for Mr. Major Anthony Anderson. He wants certain things done and he's going to use his power to do so. I don't feel like it's right that he didn't look at other JCF members for that same job, because there are really good JCF officers that work their butt off to get to certain position, and when the time comes for them to get the position that they have been working for, the commissioners do stuff like this. And it's unfair, because I know when I worked a 9 to 5 and people that didn't work as long as me, didn't work as hard as me, or didn't work as long for the company that I was working for got managerial positions over me, it made me feel away. And I'm sure that senior JCF members and other JCF members felt the same way. And that explanation is weak for me personally. Do I think it's right? No. Do I think that's what they always do? Yes. Also, him talking about that they shouldn't trust JCF officers is only furthering the whole notion of how untrusting the JCF officers is, And that is not good for Major Anthony Anderson, especially if he's trying to reduce crime, because the JCF members are plays a pivotal role in that right there. So you don't want bad blood with them, especially if you're the police commissioner for the JCF. So what are your thoughts? The voice notes have been spreading like wildfire on social media. And if he's going to have a senior ranking position like that, he shouldn't have never posted any voice note like that. He is only going to make him look bad and also the police commissioner look bad. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.